Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from our video in Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Capcut project, and as you can see guys that I have added some emojis to my video, and I'm going to remove this emoji from my video. If we want to remove the emoji we have added to our Capcut video, we can go to the stickers, select the stickers option, and you can tap on the emoji you would like to remove from your video. I'm going to remove this emoji, for example. Then we can simply click on delete. Okay, and you can also click on the emoji on the video like this. Then you can click on this X button, and as you can see that the emoji has been removed from my video. And don't get me wrong guys, because here I'm explaining to you how to remove the emoji we have added to our video in Capcut mobile application. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.